guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. Our Ipsy Glam bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's glam bag, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this glam bag to try. All right, so here is the card for this month, and it says, this September, let's find your groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. And this month, Ipsy is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. And right here are 3 different beauty brands that all have Latino, Hispanic owners. All right, so here is this month's glam bag. Super cute. Love the print. And we have a beautiful, colorful little tassel as well. And inside this month's glam bag, we have the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Collodial Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. This is made to smooth, firm, hydrate the skin. It is a skin renewing anti-aging mask that's really going to improve the skin's elasticity with powerful moisturizers, while the colloidal gold, honey, and mica hydrate the skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines. Next, we have the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. And I absolutely love Earth Harbor products and just what the company stands for overall. They are plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no soy, no gluten, small batch made, and woman-owned. This ampoule is going to brighten and balance for a radiant complexion, and it felt so nice on the skin. Next in the September glam bag, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This cream is intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Next, we have the Kokie Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. And this is a 2-in-1 waterproof eyeliner, which is very long lasting for up to 12 hours. One end of it is a liquid liner, and then the other end is a beautiful pencil liner. Last but not least, in this month's glam bag, we have the Benefit Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And this is going to lock your makeup into place for 16 hours. It's also going to instantly blur the pores and feel weightless and absorb any extra oil. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. The Ipsy Glam bag is only $13 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample size products, all in a cute makeup bag. If you're anything like me and like to switch up your makeup bag all the time, then this option is definitely for you. And I love how they are deluxe size samples, so there's just enough to like actually try it out, see if you like it, and then you can buy the full size. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.